Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Monkey Wrench. I'm Kelly, the monkey with the wrench. Today we're going to do a really quick video because it's about to pour rain and it's a simple job. We are changing the blades on this Gravely 34Z, I think it is. 34Z. As you can see, I don't mess around. I have it jacked up on jack stands with the jack underneath of it. And let me just show you what I did real quick, because this is a super simple job. Just like changing the blades on any other machine, I have simply taken a big C-clamp with a piece of wood to stop the blades from spinning, and then all you have to do is unscrew or unbolt the blades. Now I loosened them up just for filming purposes, but I want you guys to see the difference between the old blade and the new one. I put it over here. It's all right, just bear with me. Okay, if you watched my last video, you will have seen that when I went to cut with this, I noticed that it was leaving a swath between the two blades. There's why. Okay, so worn that they're shot, and the other one is actually broke. I'll show you in a minute. And there's the other one. And you can see it's missing about 2 inches off of that side and about 2 inches off of that side. And this one is actually bent. If you can see that one, you see how bent that end is right there? So they weren't meeting in the middle and they were leaving a swath of grass. There's nothing left of those blades. So all I'm gonna do is reverse the process, bolt them back up. When you bolt them back up on the machine, what you wanna remember is that your lift part always goes up towards the machine. The blade edge, cutting edge, should be facing you on the right hand side. And when you put them on, I always like to put them on like that. One sideways, one forward to back. That way you know they're never gonna hit and they cover everything they're supposed to cover. And just get them back up on there and tighten them up. Should be simple, I'll show you in a minute. And there you have it. It's a simple setup. Now I use an impact wrench, and this is a 15/16 on this particular machine. And when I turn the blade, you see how they're at least offset. Just in case anything happens, you don't want them to be running into each other in the center there. And basically, I've seen people, they try to hold the nut on top of the pulley on the top of the deck to loosen that up, but in this case you can't do it that way. You must lock the blade from moving with a piece of wood and a clamp. Just pull them out counterclockwise and put the new blades on, and it's as simple as that. Now the new blades are in, I can lower this thing back down, and if you have a jack and a couple of jack stands, it's in your best interest to jack it up. I've seen people attempt to reach in through the opening in the deck. You can get to one, you can't get to the other, you can't get an impact wrench on there. Just jack it up. Put your jack stands under there because you don't want that thing falling on you. It's about that far from the ground. It'll land on you, break some stuff. Zip off the old blade, zip the new ones on. That's Gravely, easy. Thanks for stopping by. See you soon.